So there was a washout right here, so it exposed my wire. There was a break in the line there, but it's still not working. So I wrapped my wire around the ignition plug wire of my small engine here. I got a AM/FM radio, tuned it to the frequency of the ignition. I'll start my lawnmower. You can clearly hear the ignition frequency, and I can follow my wire. It's winning the ground there, and if I walk away, the sound gets lower and lower. Pretty close to the lawnmower, so I'm assuming it's picking it up from that distance.